Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Kraken security settings, full guide step by step clearly. To reset your Kraken security settings, begin by visiting the Kraken website. Log into your account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the settings menu. You'll find the settings icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it to open the settings page. Look for the Security tab on the left-hand side. Select the Security tab to access your current security settings. Once in the Security section, review your current settings. Locate the option to reset your security settings. Click on this option to initiate the reset process. You may be prompted to enter your account password for verification. Enter your password to confirm your identity. After verification, you will see a confirmation message. Read the information provided carefully, as this will explain the implications of resetting your settings. If you're ready to proceed, click the confirmation button. Your security settings will now be reset to the default configuration. Once the reset is complete, consider updating your security settings immediately. This may include enabling two-factor authentication, setting up withdrawal whitelists, and refining other security features. Ensure you save all changes after updating your settings. Regularly review your security settings to maintain account safety. That concludes the process for resetting your Kraken security settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.